Good evening, one and all. Welcome to this third edition of Nurturing the Learner from MIT School of Distance Education. In today's session, we will be covering how MIT SD are offering placement opportunities through all its channels and its recruitment partners. Here in this today's session, we have with us Mr. Prashant, who is going to take over the session. But before we do that, I'm going to take care of some of the highlights of MIT SD. Myself, Professor Rohito, working as a Chief Learning Officer at MIT SD, welcome you again. Our first very important highlight of MIT School of Distance Education is it is the top ranked distance education institute in India. Now, MIT School of Distance Education is also approved by AICTE, Government of India, and has been giving globally recognized certificates. We have all our programs which are completely inline and industry oriented, and we have all the specializations which are in demand in the market currently. Our institute is the only education institute in India to offer Canvas as its learning management system. Now, Canvas is a learning management system which is being used by international top universities like Stanford and Harvard. And we are very proud to be associated with Canvas. And we are here to give all our students a seamless experience through this LMS. Here, we are the only distance education institute in India to offer placement opportunities through not only providing them with opportunities, but also catering to the development of their profile, their personality, and their effective resume. Here, we are the first institute in India to partner with LinkedIn Learning, as these courses which we are offering are completely integrated and aligned to the content of LinkedIn Learning, which is an internationally accepted content. Here, we are the only institute again to provide academic assistance with help of our student academic mentors who are there to help you for all your academic related queries and also to address your last minute exam preparation. Here, we are very happy to announce that we are having a zero cost EMI option for all of you. And we are here to offer a very flexible mode of operation for examination with proctored facility, as well as all our examinations are multiple choice questions. One more key highlight I would like to specifically tell all of you is that this Canvas LMS is the only LMS offering a very seamless mobile application through which you can literally learn on the go. So I would now hand over the session to Mr. Prashant, who is heading placements at MIT School of Distance Education. He'll be taking you through this presentation, and of course, all your questions would be addressed at the end. Over to you, Prashant.
Thank you so much, Rohit sir. A very good evening and welcome you all. So thank you so much for joining us today's webinar. Myself, Prashant Shiringi, and recently joined at MIT Distance Learning Education, working as a placement officer. Since I am the accountable for all your placement activities, okay. So today's agenda of how we do the career support services, where we take care about the placement role and responsibilities, current market trends, interview hint, and at the end, we will take your questionnaire sets. We believe that you all are keen to explore and placement and a career development opportunities, which is offered by MIT SD, where we take care of personality development, resume building, career guidance. At the end, we take it of your placement activities. The biggest challenge right now is the market have the ample opportunities, but there is a lack of skilled resources. So our motive is to try and create skilled resources by identifying the ability of the students and provide them a relevant job opportunities, which we call up as a placement opportunity. So as you can see, this is the our estimated recruiters who had been recruiting from MIT SD for the various kind of a job profiles. Whereas these are the upcoming 50 recruiters from the renowned industry, which is into IT, which is into manufacturing industry, e-commerce. Then we having FMCG companies. So where you can able to get the maximum kind of opportunities with a relevant kind of job openings, which you might be had work with your previous experience. I now take up to the one of the poll. Okay, so I just have a poll option where you can share me your favorite or preferred companies so that we can able to get you the better opportunities and we can able to tap with that opportunity too. So these are the latest trends and industry sectors and the profile which MIT SD take care about it. So if we talk about the industry segment, it is into IT and outsourcing, FMCG and retail, logistics and supply chain management, manufacturing, e-commerce, and banking segment. So these are the industry segment, but these industry segment will be having various kind of job opportunities, starting with account managers, operation managers, business development, financial analyst, financial advisor, financial managers, HR managers, inventory control, project management, others, procurement. So these are the profiles which companies normally recruit for various kind of a projects, various kind of a requirements which coming up across India. We also take care about all your kind of a previous experience into the consideration so that when you enroll, you get a relevant job opportunities as per your course or specialization which you had chosen it with MIT SD. Now I just take care with your second question, okay, which is what is your favorite job profiles and the industry segment which you like to tap so that we can able to know more in detail. So how we help you to improve, achieve your goals? So we go step by step. So many of you must have a thought of your dream job, which kind of look like this. Okay, so many of you might have the like to have the availabilities of facility of pickup and drop, which maximum companies do. Few companies provide mediclaim, so you might be having a thought process like when I enroll for the new opportunities, new placement through MIT SD, this is where I need to target it. All might be having a wishes to have a 5 days week so that you can able to hang out on Saturdays, Sundays. Some might be having the looking for a foreign projects, so where companies can able to move to the abroad for the project works. And the most important part is of salary. So many of you might be having the salary expectations in terms of when you enroll, what kind of salary expectations you are expecting it. So this is where we try to achieve all your goals, whatever you want to be in your life. Uh, so this is where I like to have one of the poll. Okay, to you can share me your kind of a dream profile and the salary expectations. So to achieve your goal, you need to analyze yourself. You might have heard about the SWOT analysis before. So in SWOT analysis, what we do, we identify our strengths. We try to convert them into opportunity and identify your weaknesses and stop them becoming your threat. So you need to analyze yourself in the same way to choose the suitable job opportunities. So where whatever the is there, so there are lots of kind of companies who are MNC, mid-scale startup. Okay, so in this kind of a tenure where you identify your own SWOT analysis and you will uh, kind of apply with that kind of opportunities. So how to overcome from the your weaknesses? So that you might be having a various weaknesses before you had given your first interview, or when you like to go with a second new kind of companies for the interview process. So some of having a weakness in technologies. So the solution which we are coming up here to follow your guidelines given in the study materials. You might be having a weak in communication, so you can increase your vocabulary by reading, active listening, watching videos, and have a group discussion. Some might be having a interview phobia, so where you can have a practical mock interview. So as a placement kind of a department where we arrange the mock interviews for you, so that you can able to rectify what kind of where is you getting lack, so which is very important for you. You might be having an inferiority in your complex. So what I suggest to you is compete with yourself, not with others. So understand your capability and trust on yourself. Some might be having a casual approach. So this is a very important aspect in the interview section. So whenever you go with the any company, so companies HRs are expecting, or any of the interviewer is expecting, you should be a sincere. So there should not be a casual approach. So whenever you give the interview, should be a sincere behavior has been important. Okay, so this is where you can able to overcome from your weaknesses. So type of companies, there are lots of type of companies which having a focus area. You might be having your own kind of a dream companies which you had suggested. Uh, but what segment or what categories of the companies you like to work? So you like to work in MNC, or you would like to work in a corporate company, or mid-scale companies, or a startup. So we had saw lots of interested in towards the learners where they are looking forward to work in a startups, because definitely some of it's a very fantastic fantasy in that nowadays. So many of the people looking forward to work in a startup like Flipkart kind of companies or Snapdeal kind of companies. So these are the kind of a criteria which mostly companies having it. So MNC companies having a criteria which current pass out should be there. Okay, 60% throughout, no gaps, excellent communication skills. So this is all the criteria is this coming the companies preferred. So you need to decide where you are getting fit into. So before kind of after enrolling it, we as a placement department, we keep you engaging with lots of activities, so that you can able to finalize and you can able to get selected with the with your preferred kind of companies and segment of the companies. So these are the some alumni kind of sec bifurcations, okay, which we had been shown as a demographic, so that you get a clear picture idea what exactly students get enrolled and get placed. So we saw 22% is getting selected in operations, 18% is getting into sales and management, 7% is getting business analytics, 12% is getting selected in supply chain management, and similarly in 12% we getting in selected in banking segment. So these are the segments which companies or student preferred to work. Okay, so these are the alumni kind of statistics, so you can able to decide it which specialization, which kind of profiles you like to work. I would like to have a poll on that, on which category of companies you like to tap, either corporate companies, mid-level companies, or a startup companies. So now let's talk about the career guidance, which is very important. When you go with the enrollment, when you give the interviews, so what is the first thing the companies analyze it? So companies first ask for a resume. Resume plays a vital role in any kind of a company. So if your resume is good, the company will shortlist you for and invite you for the interviews. So this is, as a placement, it's a responsibility to have you the clear guidance, a clear idea how your resume should be and what all things is very important for a good resume. So first thing is very important is the objective, which is very focus point. Okay, because companies want to know what is your objective, why you like to apply, or why you looking forward to work with the companies categories. So professional summary, which is also again an important step in a resume, where you will be adding your professional summary, why you looking forward, or what is your interest area in the professional summary. Education. So education is most important and contains which every resume. So you need to mention every kind of starting from your 10th standard, 12th standard, then your graduation, then your post graduation, even in your enrolling it. So you need to mention your appeared kind of in an education background, because when we share the CV to any of the companies, the company should know what is your highest qualification will be. So technical skills is also one of the important aspect into mention in a good resume, where you'll be mentioning not only technical, not only comes in a software or IT. Technical skills comes in any kind of a profile, whether if you talk about the finance analyst profile. So a technical aspect is you should know Excel with a VLOOKUP, MLOOKUP, and macros kind of thing. Similarly, civil engineers, those who are looking forward to work into as a project manager or on-site kind of thing. So you can able to technical skills, you need to mention it. So it will be easy for companies to judge and shortlist you. Projects. So you need to mention your projects and your internship. So those who had have been a fresher, so you might be having an internship experience, or you will be getting the internship experience also with MIT SD. So I recommend you to add your internship experience. So not only with the company and the title, also companies looking or corporate is looking what responsibility or what kind of job roles you had done in the internship or a projects. Because in a project also, whether there is a team size, 5 team members or 10 team members or 50 team members. So in 50 team members, what is your responsibility? So companies like to know that kind of point of view in a project and internship. If you're having a certifications, or if you like to go with a certification, so what are certification you had done it? So do mention it, which is again a very important prospect in into the good CV. Personal details is very important. Some few pointers which you should avoid while adding in this thing, okay, to have a good resume. uh, Mention your date of birth, not your age, which is very important. Okay, so avoid the spelling mistakes. So if you are making a mistake in your resume, so company or a corporate will think of not shortlisting you. So try to avoid making a spelling mistake or a typing error. Okay, it should be in a proper format, which is very important. So whereas you, if you are a IT kind of professional, so you might be looking for the project management, so it should look like you are a professional person, because that is the first impression to go with your proper resume. So your alignment should be proper, your font size should be in Arial, make it standard format with 11 or 12 pointers. 11 is a preferred by the industry experts. Make sure your resume should be short and it should be clear. So don't make it your one pointers is high, a second pointer is in a low size. So make it a similar format, which should be easy and understandable and readable by the company's end, because that is a first look of yours. Because company will not take your interview before having a CV. So they will be asking for a CV and then they will be taking your interview. So this should be make a impressive towards the end company. So anyways, as a placement department and a placement officer, I will be having you, helping you in terms of getting a good CV, resume building. And along with that, we will be having a great kind of a companies and giving you the great opportunities as per the preference. So highlight your skills. It is also one of the important aspect. Highlight your skills strength, like a leadership and a coming skills, which is very important nowadays. Become everyone, whether it's a graduate person or whether it's a postgraduate, communication skills is the first step of any companies having this kind of expectations. So you should have that kind of a strength in you. Okay, give your account in the courses, including the details as a project which you had undertaken. Okay, so you just mentioned the project details, which give a summary while giving the interviews. You should be able to have a good CV and a mentioned detail. So you should have the kind of clear, crystal clear kind of things, activities you need to mention it. in your resume. Okay, whether it's the project, for example, if you are a software developer, if you having a software projects, okay, so you might be doing in a various languages. Similarly, if you are the particular finance analyst, or if you like to go with a finance analyst, so you need to have the particular things, or which you had worked in the internship. So do mention the entire things, whether what kind of softwares you had used, whether you had used Tableau, whether you had used kind of a SAP, or any kind of things, so which is very important, so that companies can able to judge you properly and can take it towards the uh, next level or a shortlist level. So this is you need to keep in the mind. Apart from that, we having a LinkedIn Learning. As Rohit sir had been informed, we are the first education institution which provide a LinkedIn Learning, where we had been tied with LinkedIn Learning part, where you will be getting the access to all the students, where it contains 16,000 plus courses across 3 domains: business, creativity, and technologies. So adaptive of learning methods or methodology. Courses in line with the international certificate. So as you had been aware, where we having the kind of a first institution which comes into LinkedIn Learning, which having an international kind of a course which is in line with the international certification bodies. So student can earn continuous kind of a education units, okay, which is important. And it's also having eligible to appear in the international certifications. So this is what we give you the additional benefit. We also had been come with a Canvas introduction, okay, where Canvas is a learning management system, okay, where you will be using it for your entire kind of activities of learning. Okay, you where you'll be engaging, student engagement is happening up. So why people use Canvas, which is very important. So Canvas, as all you might be had aware, or you might had not aware, but you can able to have a idea, which is a world renowned and international accepted by the various kind of top universities, which is used. And it is better for the platform to get engaged with the students and getting a better scoring. So this is where where we had introduced as a Canvas. Okay, all your elements, all your learning kind of system will be happening through Canvas only. So we having a various kind of modules for quiz, discussion forum, assignments, uh, in video quiz, calendars, and also ever, which is very important for your learnings. Apart from that, we also provide the mentorship, in terms of where we invite the industry's expert to give you the entire idea about the globe trends, where we invite to the industry's experts for giving the business diversification, and giving their knowledge in terms of what current scenarios is happening up, where we want you to make sure you should be alert and aware through ask, learn, and engage, and read with the getting and training with the mentors. So this is where you will be getting it with the placement, with the placement opportunity. You will be getting this kind of activities uh, through our external panelists which we invited. So this is what we give you the entire introduction about the placement kind of activities. Okay, so whereas for any of your queries, if you having, if you like to know more in detail about the placement, you can drop us the email, placements@mitsd.com. I thank you so much for this kind of activities, and I hand over this conversation to Mr. Abhishek, who will be taking towards your further activities. And whatever the questions you're having, it we'll be taking at the end of this session. Abhishek, over to you.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hello, good evening all. Welcome to this webinar on placement opportunities offered by MIT School of Distance Education. Myself, Abhishek Kalyana, working as the admission head at MIT School of Distance Education, guys. And I'll be taking you through actually the entire admission process, the other opportunities that we provide, the EMI process, along with the referral opportunities that we provide to our students. But before that, let me just thank Professor Rohit Oak and Prashant for providing a valuable information to all our students. And definitely MIT School of Distance Education offers a great value proposition to all our students, right from providing the Canvas LMS. And in fact, we are the only distance education institute in India to do that, to provide Canvas LMS to our students, to give the LinkedIn Learning subscription to our students, in offering placement opportunities, also providing academic assistance throughout the program. So definitely these are the unique proposition that we provide. And now I'll be quickly taking you through and providing you with some more useful information. So I'll quickly share my screen, guys. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give me a second. So guys, my first slide will actually talk about the document that we required and the verification process. So it's a very easy process where in order to take the admission, you just need to submit your educational documents, the 10th, 12th mark sheet, the graduation certificate that you have to submit to your counselor, to your respective counselors, along with your government identity proof and photo. Once you share those documents, okay, those documents are being verified as per AICTE Government of India norms, as MIT SD is approved by AICTE Government of India. So definitely we all, once we receive the document, we have to verify those documents. And once the documents are being verified, okay, upon approval, the admission process starts. The second slide which will actually talk about the admission process. So we have an apply now tab, okay. Once you get the confirmation on mail, okay, that your documents has been verified, okay, our expert career counselors, these are all experienced career counselors that we have, okay, who will help you actually to log into your account, okay. We have an apply now tab on our website, which is www.mitsd.com, where you have to first register yourself. Once you register yourself, okay, a link will be shared on your registered email ID. Once you receive that link, you just need to activate that link. And once it is being verified, okay, you have to again come on the apply now tab, fill up your necessary details, guys, okay. Fill up all the necessary details. It's a one-page form. You have to fill up all the necessary details. Once you fill up all the necessary details, okay, we have a secured payment gateway like HDFC, PayU Money and EaseBus, okay. You can select those payment gateways. You can make a transaction, okay. You will receive, upon completing the transaction, you will receive a receipt of payment, okay. Once you receive that, okay, within 3 or 4 5 working days, you will be receiving the Canvas credentials, from which, and it's a world-class Canvas LMS, which is being actually used in Howard and Stanford universities. So you will receive those credentials. You can start studying from that, okay. Once you start studying from that, okay, you will be able to experience a flexibility, a seamless experience you will be able to experience from that Canvas LMS. And within 25 to 30 working days, you will be receiving a study material, the study kit actually, which will be from Wiley publication. The books are from Wiley publication, one of the world's renowned publication. So you'll be receiving those study material, and this is how your actually the study will take on. Now moving on to the third slide, which is actually talking about the zero interest EMI option that we provide. So guys, we offer a 3 months and 6 months zero cost EMI process, where you just need to pay 5,000 and enroll yourself. And upon enrollment, okay, you will be asked whether you have to go for 3 months EMI process or 6 months EMI process. So as per your convenience, you can go ahead with that. We also offer a low interest EMI option to our students, where if you're looking to go for a tenuity of 9 months or above, then definitely you can go ahead with that. And we offer one of the lowest interest to our students. So this EMI, this loan options are very quick, and it is being approved, okay, within 48 to 72 hours. So even this is going to help you. Now, my last slide will actually talk about the referral policy, okay, which is very, very interesting, guys, where we offer a total discount of 6,000 rupees. Once you start referring, and I'm very sure, okay, I'm very confident, okay, because this is the source from where, like, you know, most of our admission comes, because of our support, our dedicated support that we extend to our students. So our students are very happy and they provide us the reference. And once you start providing a reference per admission, okay, both the students are being rewarded with 3,000 each. So if you refer a candidate, okay, he will also get a discount of 3,000, and you will also be rewarded with a discount of 3,000. So it will be adjusted in your fees, guys. So that's it from my side. Happy learning, and